Sure, you love me, say about the black comedian of the Federal Republic. That's it.
How does it feel to be here to support Naija FM Comedy Night?
It feels great. Naija FM is one of the best radio stations that you can think about. And when it comes to comedy, they've got lots of comedians on this station. That is one thing that I know about them. You listen to Naija FM and you're always laughing. So it feels great supporting them tonight, man. I'm excited, I'm happy. Energized, ready to roll, yeah.
My name is Nathalie Tokwe Ochelade. I'm in the reading news, Obonga News, Tinkling News for Naija FM 102.7.
Tell us about the categories. Do you have any favorites tonight, or anybody you want to wish picking up their awards?
Nah, I wouldn't want to talk about that because, of course, I'm part of the organizer, so I can't really talk about any favorites. I shouldn't have any favorites. So I just wish all of them the best, and I wish the best gets the award.
Okay, who do you want to see perform tonight? What are you looking forward to see?
Okay, I am looking forward to Casey. I am looking forward to Shantizo.
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Okay, now Sam with this, of course, and I know say my name now Sam of Naija FM 102.7, and of course, I know say I'm the tallest man for Naija FM, but look that one. Now today, now we do our comedy jam for Inside the Matter as the author. Of course, and I know say yes, for example, Sun Center, crowd don't fool here, Helen Paul just the perform finish it, she give crowd, that is she scatter the crowd they believe, because now comedy jam, and don't forget say I want to take them for Inside the Matter, and not forget, say plenty things, they inside with the artists I want to do, they don't they put everywhere now, the JJC. In fact, I don't want to talk too much. I know so by the time you watch this thing again, that means you listen to the recorded version. That means you don't miss the show for you because crowd really here not be here. So as it be, we catch our phone here, we expect the best things will happen and it already start and people don't holler. In fact, I don't just know how I want to describe the matter of what they happen here today. Now we here.
What you say now? Double six when I'm floating next to again, I'm loving your size. Let me start to see what you get out with it. The way you do the things you do, you make me scream out the feeling. The way you do the healing.
Hey, what's up? My name is Karen Ego, winner of Big Brother 2011.
How does it feel to be here your day in Naija FM?
Also, I work in Naija FM. Also, I also performed tonight, so I'm feeling good. I performed my kid brother called Kido. I just got signed to this record label, MMM. So I performed, and I'm sweating. I didn't use shoe, because my shoe they pay me when I get stage, so I just don't like that freestyle, you know now.
Set me up. Yeah, waist and my waist not be mate. Yeah. See, when I there they look up. The boy don't now native dance they dance there so. He don't turn native doctor finish. Now they hear the praise her. I not blame me Yaya. He come here they open him mouth. They say, can I take off my jacket? Can I take off my because he know it he get. He won't brag. Don't worry. By the time I reach this my Sherman here, mate will say, can I take off my jacket? What you carry for front then we will do. Yeah. We just pay money. We never even pay reach 2 weeks. Just pay bride price for Hush Baby wife. Where Hush Baby wife? You want now family meeting they call you so. Where you did? Oh, you don't rush go meet your husband. Now lie, that will not settle the matter. What you did in public there we will discuss in public. And this money, we just pay money. Not be saying we even pay money for Lagos. You know how many of us enter plane reach Benin? Not try him again, no, not try him. You know, this boy say period before I gather the money. Not try him. That's what he know me now. He don't try that nonsense with my wife. If you like say my comedian wife, this boy in town now. We get to set up a committee and look into this issue. My wife did that, they go to that. And when my wife see my eyes alone, they don't tell her now. He just said, yeah, just go on stage. Rubbish. Wow. And the one who pay me pass, Inyanya can no waste. Native waste, where full year, you don't commit anyone. Talking about native waste. When I welcome. Did I say anything? No, not saying anything. Now welcome. Native waste. I like girls. When they reach time to come out like this, if you see them with their high heels, they don't send anybody now. They scarce pass. You see, when they come like this, you're the sick catch. They show the sweet. When time don't they reach 11, 12, 2 hours after party, we not send them those streets where they buy a wheel. You can't see all of them. When I don't see some for club for night, when club don't they go like that kind of 3 a.m. when I see them, all of them will just put their shoe. Joe, wait for me now. Where are you going? The things don't tire them. The ones that wear wives, they get slippers now. What they put for back, Abi? I know now. I get wife. Put slippers on back. Now.
I'm saying to myself, yo, what I want my people, your favorite boy shirts is aka this national event, aka Mr. Shoe, aka mama. So what's up with people?
Naija FM comedy night, how do you feel being here tonight?
Oh boy, my feelings are there tonight. I can't even express it. You know something about Naija FM. So me being one of the artists from here today because that's how they perform with the Mr. Legends there. I feel like
basically, you always like to be performing tonight and you're sharing it down as usual.
Definitely. Tonight I'm showing it down today. Live crowd, live audience, live performance. So tonight, surely, I want to find out.
birthday like this. So I was help me out, man. What did I need at the birthday song? When I sing for me, make back, sing back. Oh yeah, listen now. Happy.
Nigeria. My name is Eleno Comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. You don't know what it is? It's Nigeria FM Comedy Nights. Comedy Award Nights.
Okay, Comedy Award Nights. What are we seeing you doing tonight? Performing and all?
I'm here to sit down, relax, and enjoy the show.
The Comedy Award Night, are you in any of the categories nominated for any award?
I heard by rumor and I'm not sure. No, I'm just here to have fun and share my friends and my brother that have been nominated and those are going to win tonight. Show them.
Basically, so are you performing tonight?
Yeah.
Good evening. Alpha, he walk where you promised me, right? You say? My, you don't know how much I pay? My wife don't wait to talk. One moment at a time. Let me face it. My wife don't want me. My sister. If now you travel from here, go him or go marry, you go wound. Know what it mean to bring 72 tubers of yam? Or marry one girl. I can't say na New Year festival we go do for it. It's not a small something. But now I want to make something clear here now. A lot of us, our religion here varies. Some of us are Christians, some are Muslims. Now you know if you go to churches, you hear them preach. In a church where they have a preacher and an interpreter, most times the pastor is preaching in English, the interpreter is either interpreting in Yoruba or other languages. Am I right? Yeah. One of them is Muslim. What who they preach? Who they interpret? The two of them they talk the same thing. Just that one they talk for soprano. One they use 10 or 10 they interpret. In the one where they preach talk, Al-Qurani, the one where they interpret will shout, waste time like this. And one thing I always tell people, now, the area you live in determines when you wake up in the morning. If you live on the island, when I say island, not 5 minutes drive after Aja. You are not in Lagos, one another deceive yourself. All those people when they stay Agungi, Shongotedo, you hear the name? Shongotedo, Awoyaya, Ogombo. You are in Epe. You are not in Lagos. Even Fashola don't know na governor. One that they clear and well. If you stay on this area like Via, Ikoyi, Lekki, some part of Surulere, when you sleep for night because you be boss of yourself, like Oga Chris now, they decide when to wake. When they hush baby, Moyo, Najapi, they hustle to meet up by 5 for morning. You see they bed, they sleep. Because now you can't walk. If you don't come, I sack you. Even as I come late. But if you stay some area like Ogogo, Ajagbade, Dosbin, Banana, Egbeda, Etegbi, Ikotun, Shambo, Agugi, 3 things then they wake you. You get one voice when they wake you for bus stop early morning. Akpako CMS, Akpako CMS, Akpako CMS. Because the houses that they always did near bus stop. Or you could hear person say hot bread, bread.
Dominic, repping Kizu Records, and right now, what's up? I'm on D channel. I'm just coming in, and you know what's up? You see how I'm dressed tonight? That's what's gonna be beautiful in there tonight. You got much to say, but just follow me. Follow me inside.
D channel, Naija FM Comedy Night. What do you think about the concept?
You know what's up? Naija FM, the #1 Bonga broken station. You know, it's gonna be cool inside. Trust me. I think this should be one of the spluffic we're having, and it's gonna keep going great from now on. It's fun.
So what are we expecting from you tonight? Your performance?
I just came in and they just say I should go inside and do my jaga things and the sexy things for them sexy girls, you know.
Nothing's changed. We are still digital. The following is rated R for adult discretion is advised. Infectious. Flawless Max Blue FMZ. Last time you saw us, we were trapped in a game. Nothing's changed. We are still digital. The following is rated R for adult discretion is advised. Let's get this party moving.
The way she came into place on you right down there, there was something different about this girl. The way she moved, her hair, her face, her lights, divinity in motion.
Is what you have been waiting for. Monster Kill.
You're listening to Naija FM 102.7. I did the mini show workshop with Ajabo and Moyoli. That one now every Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. So you know what, Mr. Babek, make sure say you did tune in and you did listen to Naija FM 102.7 because now we video program radio station.
Naija FM Comedy Night. Subscribe.
Wow, this is kind of like from Pigeon. I don't move to join shout. Now the biggest gathering of comedians and artists where you can see for one building this year. Of course, any artist will be there, we will sing, we will totally recording, and the comedians too as well, DJ Yakpa too as well, also totally recording. You know, say the motive behind this comedy jam now, apart from this, okay, today, you know, entertain them with music, best of players too as well. We need to also, you know, totally enlighten them and also give them entertainment because the kind of stress when they face for inside them is our country like this. You know, say, you know, we can now just Baba God they help us. And they just talk say a laughter keeps the doctor away. I don't know if I get English right or English right or anything like that, right? But you shall understand what I try to talk about. So basically, this one is not the main reason we try to help people. You know, say we know something about what at least you write a person day. That one, you know, they say smite will give you extra year or something like that for your life. So that's why you know, say Naija FM to the place of comedy. So we always think about the interest and the belief to our listeners to us. Okay.
Shake bum from here to service. No way, think one guy go just stay where he now. Just shake bum, reach Ghana, cross border, reach Cotonou, cross border, reach Togo, cross border. They say where they go, they go London. No. This boys is sing nonsense. You see, they annoy me. If you like one Igbo sister, I will sing one song from our church this morning. I can't ask one at the same song, go to the worship God. Crucified, if you hear the Igbo version. If you want to buy any CD, no go Alaba. If you don't say one go Alaba, cram the song before you go. I go Alabama, go buy one song. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. As I won't pay. From here I begin here. Amazing grace, I still don't sing the song. The girl come to our church this morning, sing that song. Crucified, if you hear the version. She felt come out. Can somebody worship Jesus? Many of us will follow Jesus, argue, now we worship him. Now the girl start the song. One time. Now you're ready to stay funny. Now we start the song. Now the girl start the song. Crucified, behind the stove. You live to die, rejected on the Lord, like the rose of daddy. Trampled on the ground. I said, which song is this? But I finally let me live with this. Very old joke, but I joke what I like so much. I like the kind of names we bear in Africa. Our names they get meaning. Abroad they bear any name we come their mind. That's why I hear names like Bush, Tiger, Wood, Slippers, Stone, Rice. I see one white man for Galera, I say name Naludo. We know they try and an average woman gives birth to a child, they name the child according to how you look. If the beginning get big head, Ndubuisi. If you get big eye, Anyang. If you get big mouth, Onowa. If you get big jaw, Ejiofo. If you get K-leg, Kelechi. If you walk, Ojuku. But Yoruba people say if they go out, once Yoruba man born begin, if they look too much, look more. If they smile, he smiler. If they get small rashes, Rashida. If he fair, Femi. If he tall, Tola. If he short, Shola. If he fat, Fatima. If he slim, Slimatu. If he get big head, Oriade. He get big eye, Aisha. He get big nose, Nasiru. He get big mouth, Masira. He get big ear, Ireti. He get big teeth, Titi. Big tummy, Tomiwa. K-leg, Kemi. Go-leg, Bola. If he ugly, Obasanjo, Luna.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Hey, hello, how you doing, man?
Shaggy? Is any motherfucker stuff you're talking about, Shaggy? Damn, is any motherfucker stuff you're talking about? Shaggy? Is any motherfucker stuff you're talking about? The guy where the guy dragged down, the voice lost.
Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, watch out, Nigeria FM, we're coming. When we get there, yeah, daddy, you're gonna know.
So tonight you performing or you just here to have fun?
Definitely I'll perform and play, but I'm here to walk. You see, I have the program event flow in my hand, so it's my station, so I'm working. So tonight we're having fun, we're working, we're locking it down. We're on Lagos tonight. Like I said, Fashola, we can't nothing. It's our city. Kanye, we're coming for you. What else?
Enjoy childhood Nigeria.
Back at yes, boss. It's your boy Ush, baby. You know, you go and now. We're not going, no, we're ready to fight. This is an eye witness. So, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, that it means say we love you all. So, keep it locked. 102.7 Nigeria FM, the best radio station anywhere in the world. Yeah, that it.
Okay. All our comedians in the house, make some noise! Okay, now, I want to sing a song. It's not my song. It's our song. Do you know the song? It's our song, bro. Okay, it goes like this. We are African. We are... I'm loving that for the We are African.
Applause for Niger FM 102.7. Let's put it together for them, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks a lot. Tell me how you feeling tonight.
I feel good. How's everybody? Good. Hope you guys are having fun. Sorry, I'm a little nervous in front of people. That's why I do radio, so, you know. If I fall or anything.
I'll tell you why she's nervous. You can kill me later. When we're standing backstage, Dami goes to me, she says, I really need to use the toilet right now. So we're going to make this really snappy so she can go up to the little room. Are you going to kill me later?
Actually, I would have preferred that. I thought you were about to say because I can't speak pidgin English.
That's
actually what makes me.
We're going into pidgin English right now. Now we're here tonight. We won't introduce.
I speak pidgin better than you.
Me and Dami from Beat FM 99.9, we are from Classic FM. We won't present the nominees for
Okay, let me try. Alright. My name is Dami. This is not you. We come present the award for comedy actor of the year. I speak pidgin better than he does, and he was about to make fun of me here.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna see the nominees. I know so now go want know who win the award and who we won't call. So the person will win his name now.
Charles Inoje.
Charles Inoje.
The award for Charles Inoje is his wife, so if I can have Mrs. Inoje on stage.
Let's have Mrs. Inoje up stage, man. Let's have a round of applause for her, please. And you know it is, as Osam, they talk now, Osam teach me, everybody after me say, you don't understand. You get to drag her. You don't understand. Oh, now OTP. Okay, copyright.
Thank you, Niger FM. God bless you. Thanks to everybody who voted for him. We appreciate it. God bless you.
DJ, yeah, daddy.
Thank you very much, everybody. This feels like a setup right now.
Thank you very much, everybody. It's a setup right now.
See, but seriously, I work for the Beat 99.9 FM, and we speak English. And
guy, you don't know before you catch fever waves. Seriously, I work for Niger FM. I will speak Pidgin. Yeah, daddy.
Okay, you know what? It's all good. You handle
tonight.
Yes, we are.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the nominee for the Comedian of the Year.
Yeah.
But I don't say that. Yeah.
He means the nominees for the Comedian of the Year. And who are the nominees?
Okay. English skill. Yeah, the nominees for the Comedian of the Year, ladies and gentlemen, is as follows.
You're moving too fast. She said, hey, let go back again.
Sheila. Okay, put your hands together for the nominees, because they're all great guys, great comedians.
Clap for the nominees, they are great.
But there can only be one winner, and the winner is...
Apororo! Apororo. Raise your blade.
Where's this guy?
Apororo is not there. One of Nana.
Is anyone going to come up and collect the award for Apororo?
No. Apororo is a madman. I don't feel collect for madman. If I Chris, I don't want problem. Acapella on behalf of Apororo, please clap for him. Where the award, I beg? With a rush. Oh. Now the drink make me go on your mood. Just give me the drink, leave the award.
Okay, you know what? You can have the plaque. Go present the drink.
Who is hold the plaque? Give me the drink. Thank you very much.
And I welcome. No time for time wasting. Time now.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you. Sibuki the elders, what do you our cousin,
Tuale.
Madam Amira, well done.
Effective first. First and foremost, stay Nigeria, be Nigeria. I want to say thanks to one of our listeners. They call a couple of life. Damola Atola swag. That is an issue for me. On a clap for the guy now. Fine walk. Now this is not Duamo.
Okay, today we're going to present
the TV show of the year. No time.
No time at all.
I do know
comedy TV show of the year. Teddy Babyface show. Time Out with TA.
It's Time Out with TA. Here's your host, the comedian extraordinaire, Mr.
AY Show.
There's a woman here.
Chronicles of Osh Baby. The Chronicles of Osh Baby.
As they clap, the man still they clap for the matter.
Yes.
Okay, the winner for the arrangement of the comedy TV show of the year,
This one makes sense. It does start for long and it did now, and it's the season here for many, many years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, mommies and daddies, give it up for the winner, who is none other than the father himself in the comedy industry, AY Show! Yes, boss.
Well, why?
It's another show where spirit they miss.
On the same day at AY, and the same birthday will be. I just say my talk, they sweet me to talk.
Yeah.
Well, AY now, I say I'm for being just now.
On AY,
Tell the world.
behalf of our MD, the CEO of Mega Electrics, and all the staff of Mega Electrics and Nigeria FM, we present to you the comedy TV show of the year, AY Show. Please give it up to him. And of course, our people can say, who will use this one? Take bros. Later.
I'm not plan one I get to wish I the follow award. Only Nigeria FM, this one for you. This guy, they pronounce that name well. Mega, what you call it? Why you call it like electric? All right, ladies and gentlemen. No, Nigeria FM, man, no package. And local content. Bros, una do well. All of you now will vote for AY Show. God will bless you now. This Christmas will be better for you now. And me, I want to dedicate this award to God because not only one thing make it possible. Other people, they do their own and they do my own. But when I say we did do something, and so God will do something for our life. Thank you very much.
DJ, thank you. First lady, what's up? You know, say Black American Uyibo win, she will get shot here. But Bookie, please, I'm going to clap for Bookie one more time. Now, Bookie, they make sure some music and they enjoy the flow well. And our first lady of Classic FM, first voice of Nigeria FM, clap for us again. I don't talk finish. Now, 10 points, you see the 10 points. All of us are celebrate 6-2, saying that Nokia 6-3 with the top table. As you see them, we don't win, but with the top the table, 2 points. 10 points from you. We don't win. You win against 2 weeks ago. Back-to-back home loss. No weather football. With the top table. Up us now. See them, now you people.
All right, Manchester United, make some noise! Thank you. Well, we're here to present the awards. A comedy event.
Hold on, listen. A comedy event of the year award now we won't present now. I have not seen the nominees. Faster, come on.
Love matters with big God and the ain't God. Shades of comedy with Princess.
What's wrong with you? I'll let all the best and you're constantly starting with delete yourself then. Princess live in shades of comedy.
I gave your husband powers to win elections.
I'm going to clap for Nigeria FM. Clap. All right, Bookie, who win the award?
And the winner is...
All the hands together. After the count of 3. 1, 2, go.
AY Live!
When I clap, that's not my surprise. Clap. Very well. So I was sitting at the clap to hear my cover. Everyone said they are plenty.
As we talked before, now God did one. Not me saying that we really sabi everything pass, but when I say that we do it. God bless you now. Me, I want that. Oh, shall you see follow? Not be to give me a word, make I boost myself to death. I got plan for my family this Christmas. On behalf of Remy Martins, wanna do well. This award means a lot to us. The truth of the matter is, some of us, what we need now is this, so that we'll be encouraged to do more. If things like this they happen, they may say we will do, but we will not hear from them now. just give up one day, but we'll not do it. Thank you very much.
Which would you prefer? English? Patois? You want me to speak like a Jamaican? Not for you. Anyway, this is the award for the best upcoming comedian. The nominees are... I pray. Pencil. We're not clap small now, but you don't know MC Shaggy.
They want him to begin.
goes to that mad boy, Pencil. Bring the award, man. Hello?
The one who win early this morning at Baco. This one at glass. We go to frame for them. Original. But I just want to thank everybody that has voted for me. God bless you. Good news. Thank you.
Of Megalectrics Nigeria Limited. Put your hands up.
Okay, now all of us won't go inside this stage. You understand? All of us maybe sorry 247 or inside Nigeria FM 102.7, the original Niger station. Yes, if you never follow us on Twitter, you're on a long thing at Niger 102 FM. Simple. Follow us, we did the happy mood.
Yes, we follow you back. And on Facebook, facebook.com/102.7 Niger FM. Ladies and gentlemen, right about now, introducing to you all your OAPs back to back. Oh yeah, call the morning people first of all.
Yes, so we get the first voice of Niger FM 102.7, Godwin
Aruwayo!
Now my husband be that for radio.
Also, we get backstage, Osh Baby!
That's my son's key.
Ladies and gentlemen, the baby no go let me rest. You want Kimi? Moyo, listen, Moyo! Oh yeah, a round of applause for Sam in the building, the tallest man. A round of applause for Effective Baba. Oh yeah, now OTB also in the building.
OTB is ladies and gentlemen, put it together for baddest prof ever lived, Professor. His name na Godswill.
Also, after Professor, you will hear another lady. A round of applause for Temitope Ochelade. Temitope, wait. I better collect home.
Also, we have Lady J in the building. He has some better one of Nigeria FM 102.7.
Lady J, wait, collect home.
What did they do yourself, Ajabo? Also,
I'll use her kilo now today.
we have Niger Babe right there in the building. Florence Najomo, aka Niger Babe.
Niger Babe. Let me collect the hot for office. I beg. Tomato juice. What tomato juice?
Okay, you don't go shop. You don't say as very correct business people. Now they leave our shop empty.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for all your Niger FM OAPs. One and never go. May we call on our MD of Megalectrics. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our MD CEO, Mr. Chris Ubosi, and a wife, Mrs. Ubosi. Mama show. Gross. Clip clapping.
About to do Christmas party for
Opa Williams. Opa needs no introduction. Opa don't do Nights of Talon live for like 20 years, man. Since when I did the Chinese, you know, and he's somebody who has enhanced the industry, and we're really proud to present this to you today. When you drink now, it's not the thing to do. Is anybody taking this on his behalf? MC Shakara. Yes, MC Shakara. MC, thank you very much. The drink is in my house.
My boss, Opa, I don't know how he will take accept the award without the drink because I know my boss. So in case, now Ruboman. So ma tell us in your house, sir. Okay, sir. All right, sir. Thank you very much, sir. On behalf of Opa, I received this award with all my heart because Opa gave me the first platform to show myself as a comedian. And after that performance, I became known worldwide. Please, a round of applause for Opa Williams. Thank you very much. God bless you. A round of applause for me too. I tried because when I first started this comedy, if you see my neck, it go wrong. But small things got it better. When I come Lagos, come hustle. I can't say, man, I go rent house. I don't know who sent me go rent face me, I face you. And Lagos girls, person just come Lagos and I begin give and be. My first girlfriend, buy me this, buy me that. And after I don't get big belly. Because girls, now men will get big belly, they follow. Please, if you're a lady here, not be every man will get big belly, get money. Some, now people when chop community money when they swear for, come Lagos, come they suffer. If you follow them in the morning, now you go cook indomie for them. Even Oyibo, if you want to follow Oyibo, make sure it's Italy, England, USA. But if not India, Lebanese, wrong, my sister. Those ones with their gist, they come back when they were like this. They come look, hey baby, come on, follow me, come on. They don't get money, now they give command pass. Oh baby, come on, I love you, come on, dance for me, turn around. In the morning, you come to me and say, sir, my money. You go look you, what money? You enjoy it, I enjoy it. You pay half, I pay half. But Igbo girls, let me the best. You don't go to cook. If you jam Igbo girl for club, come, Asabana, DJ, give me music. You don't see that Igbo girl, they dance for club for any group. That's the one. Igbo girl for club. Then they use that check whether you get money. If you don't get money, they leave you. Now you people man. What is the comment?